Hey guys, today we are going to talk about how to add and automate subtitles on YouTube videos. Right now I'm on my YouTube and let's go to my YouTube studio. Let's click on content and choose a random video that I still didn't add my subtitles on. Let's say this one. So just click on a pencil. And all these extra metrics I have is because I installed two extensions, TubeBuddy and vidIQ. That's why I have many metrics that maybe you don't have. And if you didn't install those two, you should definitely do that ASAP. So let's scroll down and here you will see subtitles. So if you click on this pencil, you will see that you have three choices. You can type manually, you can auto-sync, and you can upload the file. Upload file means that you transcribed your video in some other software or service. If you want to pay for transcribing your videos, the best service I suggest is Rev. And here are the prices. Rev will do transcriptions, captions, and also foreign languages subtitles. They charge $125 per minute. So do your math. If you have 10 minutes video, how much it's gonna cost you. This is the best subtitle service that I suggest you to use. Yes, it's not very cheap, but they're very trusted, they're good, they have good service, and it depends on you. So I usually don't use those services. Of course, you can type manually and it will take you forever if you have long videos like I have, some of them. But what I'm doing, I usually wait a little, let's say a few days, and if I go to my older video, you will see that YouTube basically doing the job for you. So let me go to my older video. Let's go to subtitles on the left. And here YouTube already done the job for me. You see this English automatic. Click on duplicate and edit. And as you see, YouTube already wrote the captions for you, wrote the subtitles for you. All you have to do now is listen to your video and see if the captions are right. So let me just play the video. And if something isn't right, you go here and you type. So let's say income Ola isn't right. I'll just correct it. So you just listen and correct whatever needs to be corrected, and then you click on publish, and that's all. And now you can go in and edit it again if you need, but basically now you see 1, 2, 3. Now you know that YouTube created your subtitles for you and they are correct because you checked them. This is the easiest way that worked for me to subtitle every video. And it's important to subtitle every video that you have because YouTube also reads your videos and the algorithm will promote you based on your subtitles too, on the keywords in your subtitles too. So this is the best and the fastest way, in my opinion, to create subtitles on YouTube. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye, creator.